Hello, I am Angela. This is Clark Fine Art, and today we're creating this caroling snowman Christmas card. I will have line art available for free over on my Patreon. The link will be in the description below. You do not have to be a patron to get this. Just look for the post with the same thumbnail as this video. So let's get started. Okay, our supplies are gathered. In today's video, I am going to be using products from my April 2021 Paletteful Packs box. Yes, Paletteful Packs box. So in that box, I got the black Copic marker Stabilo Pen 68. And this was a set of 20 colors. These are water-based colors. So what I'm going to be doing, and the caps, are indicative of their color. I'm going to be laying down some of the color and working it with my brush. And again, I'm using my number 6 round by Silver Black Velvet. This is the right. I'll tell you the series, because this one specifically, this series, I love these brushes. 3000S Silver Black Velvet. This is the number 6. I mean, just look at the point that thing will maintain such a point. Highly recommend. Of course, the link will be in the description below. But okay, so we're gonna lay down some color. I might use the Copic. I'm thinking the alcohol marker won't react with the watercolor. I'm thinking about putting down like the eyes, or maybe hit their buttons with the Copic. And so this end is like the brush. And then this end was a chisel, and I have no need for the chisel tip. So not in this project anyway. So I think like his little buttons. And I've left my line work here. I think I'm just going to leave it. I'm just going to leave it that way there. You guys can see it, and we'll see how much, how well it blends with the, it says pens, but they're more like a little fine felt tip marker. Although there is something right there. We are going to erase that little mark. I mean, I still have some sketch lines. Like, these are not completely, I never completely refined. And I can certainly come back after this is all dry, clean anything up. I'm not going to worry about it, guys. We're just going to dive right into it. We are here. It is here. We are going. Okay. So I'm just going to, you don't have to do this with an alcohol-based marker. You could, if you wanted to, take like a fine liner, like the Funosuke by Tombow, that we know does not react if water gets on it once it's dry. You could use one of those and mark those out. Or you could just wait and do it with the black pen when areas around it aren't wet. So all kinds of options. Again, you don't have to do this project in the same medium or colors that I am. I encourage you, have fun with this.
Watch out for reindeers are falling down. We stay up waiting for Santa tonight. He climbs down the chimney at the speed of light, while we're dancing around the Christmas tree, hugging and kissing just you and me. Carolers are singing outside our door, lovely songs we all heard before, as they walk from house to house to wish us all a Merry Christmas Day. Oh, a Merry Christmas Day. We're chasing snowflakes as they're falling down, and follow Rudolph all across the town. Later we meet under the mistletoe, while Santa's busy saying ho, ho, ho. We're feeling jolly, eating Christmas cake, and then we go skating on the frozen lake, saying hi to every friendly face, and later we warm up by the fireplace. Carolers are singing outside our door, lovely songs we all heard before, as they walk from house to house to wish us all a Merry Christmas Day. Merry Christmas Day. A Merry Christmas Day. Oh, yeah. Carolers are singing outside our door, lovely songs we all heard before, as we walk from house to house to wish us all a Merry Christmas Day. Yeah, a Merry Christmas Day. Dancing around the Christmas tree, wishing all a Merry Christmas. Dancing around the Christmas tree, wishing all a Merry Christmas. Dancing around the Christmas tree, wishing all a Merry Christmas Day.
And there it is. I hope you like the Caroling Snowman card. And as soon as this dries, actually it's kind of dry now. I think I'm going to sign right here this time. I can't even see. There we go. All done. So I hope you guys enjoyed this one and that you give this a go and make your own little Caroling Snowman Christmas card. If you do, please put it out on your social media and tag me. I would love to see your work. If you've missed some of the other videos that I've done for Christmas, I will put a link to them right here. I hope you're having a great start to your holiday season. Keep creating, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye, guys.